ahead and get milling here. Hope everybody's doing well and being kind. Tasman, love you, brother. Poke. There's just a bunch of your Rock of Ages. Simple man. Hey, brother. Can't wait for that trade to happen. Anyway, all right, everybody, we'll get after it. I'm gonna start a fire first. Well, I learned something. Don't make a can hook out of hardened steel. Snapped it right in two. So I guess I'll go put the original hook back on it and go back to work. All right, everybody. I think you kind of got the gist of things there, what I'm doing. I'd love to record some more and put some more high-speed footage in and some more music with it, but battery's getting low on the camera and it's just the same old thing. I guess you can let me know in the comments if you want to see more of it, but I'm going to finish up that cant, resaw the cut-offs that I took off there that are 1.5 inches thick. I can get a few more boards out of those, and I'll bring it back right now and show you what I got out of that log. Once I get it all cut up, we'll put that in right here. All right, so that log was 21.5 on the big end, 17.5 on the little end. Round about there. I got let's see, 18 2x6s out of it. I just got on Home Depot and checked the price on those. They're a little over 13 bucks a piece. So that's $234. I got 7 2x4s. They're 9 bucks a piece, so they're 63 bucks. I got one 2x8x8. These are 10 footers, and a 1x8x8. Now this actually isn't quite 1.5 inches, so it'd be one that using. I mean, this isn't grade lumber or anything, but if I didn't have the mill and I wanted to do a project, I'd have to go buy them at that price. Now these aren't, obviously kiln dried and, graded lumber, but they'll work for what I'm doing with them. And so all total, let's see, it was 324 bucks. Probably been working on it for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. So that's, 60 bucks an hour that I'm saving just by milling it myself. I mean, I got, some diesel fuel in it, time logging and stuff. One thing about some of these, mostly the stuff that's on the outside, the sapwood, got all these wormholes in it, and those bugs, they must not go in real deep, because you get down into it a ways, they're not in it. But here's part of one, and they crawl out after I cut them. They wind up on the surface of the board. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, they're like a grub or a, not sure what kind of bug that is, but they're all over in this stuff. And if you notice, when I was peeling the bark off, there's all those chunks of sawdust, like lines of it and big piles of it under the bark, and that's all from those worms. I could probably look it up and figure out what they are, but I'm sure somebody knows what they are. I want to throw it in the comments. But they bore big old holes in the tree. I mean, some of these you could dang near stick your pinky finger through. But they do make it look pretty cool for, if you're like that one there, that's a big hole. You can fill them full of epoxy or something if you're doing a project like a tabletop or countertop or something like. Well, I don't know if I'd use this for countertop material, but furniture, tops, dressers, things like that. But anyway, all right, that's what we got out of it. So not bad. I'm gonna go cut up another one. All right, so just want to say thanks to everybody that's been subscribing. Try to keep me ahead of old Tasman Kenny Fuller there. He's gaining on me pretty quick, but he's got a really cool personality. He's a great guy. I like him. Hey Taz and Charlie, little Taz. You guys are awesome. So anyway, we'll get these cut up, and I'll probably put one more log on there. Cut the same thing out of it, 2x6s and maybe 2x4, whatever, too. And then we'll get on to the project we're going to build with those. So that's coming up. Sounds like I got a phone call coming in. We'll see y'all on the next one. 307 out.